Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last videos, we covered up to pattern number 50, sir. In today's session, we are going to talk about pattern number 51. What is this 51st pattern? So it is the same like previous. Okay. So like we have printed like this, but now my requirement is I want to get 5 5s. Okay. Next I want to get 4 4s. So next on the top of this I want 3 3s. On the top of this I want 2 2s. On the top of this I want only one. Like this we need to take. This is nothing but the requirement what we have. Sir, how to write? Is it the same program or not? Same program only. Here we are printing the value of j, but I need I value because this is the first row, this is the second row. In the second row, we need to print 2 and 2. How to do that? Just I'm going to take the value of I in the place of j. So automatically what will happen? We are going to get 1, and in the next row we are getting 2. In the next row we are getting 3. In the next row we are getting 4. In the next row we are getting 5. Like row by row, it is going to print these values. I think you people got clarity about the pattern number 51. Nothing more than this. Just we changed these rows and columns, sir, except that nothing. I think you people got very clear clarity about this pattern. Okay, thank you.